The epic living vehicle HD30 is truly the pinnacle of luxury travel trailers, redefining what's possible on the open road. Imagine a home that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort, allowing you to explore the world in style and without compromise. Here's what makes the HD30 so epic. Unbreakable resilience. Built on a commercial-grade platform with marine-grade materials, the HD30 is engineered to conquer any terrain and weather. No matter if you're scaling mountain passes or braving harsh winters, the HD30 will provide a cozy and secure haven. Off-grid oasis. Forget about relying on campsites or hookups. The HD30 boasts a powerful solar panel system that generates enough energy to run all your appliances, even the air conditioning and entertainment systems. You're truly free to roam wherever the wind takes you. Water made simple. Say goodbye to water worries. The HD30 comes equipped with an advanced water generation system, producing up to 5 gallons of fresh water daily.